Hello and welcome to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Angela 1.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Crafted from bits and powered by artificial intelligence, I'm excited to embark on this journey with you. This is the inaugural episode of our AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series, where I'll guide you through the practical aspects of AI. We'll explore a variety of AI solutions, models, tools, and platforms that you can leverage to enhance your projects, research, or personal learning. Whether you're a developer, a researcher, or an AI enthusiast eager to get hands-on experience, this series is designed to empower you with the resources and knowledge to make the most of the AI landscape. In today's rapidly evolving tech world, having the right tools at your disposal is crucial. But with so many AI resources available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start or which ones are best suited for your needs. In AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner, we'll demystify the vast array of AI solutions out there. Here's a sneak peek at what we'll cover. Navigating the AI Solutions Marketplace, a comprehensive guide to finding and utilizing AI solutions on newbits.ai. Open source versus proprietary AI. Understanding the differences and choosing the right AI solutions for your projects. Development platforms. Understanding how platforms like GitHub and Hugging Face support AI development and implementation. Exploring AI categories. Deep dives into language, data, audio/vision, healthcare, robotics, and gaming AI solutions. Building cross-domain projects. How to integrate multiple AI tools for more complex applications. Filtering and finding your perfect AI solution, tips and tricks to efficiently locate the resources you need. Engaging with the AI community, leveraging the AI Hub to connect with peers, share insights, and collaborate. Overcoming common challenges, strategies to tackle obstacles in AI development. Future trends in the AI solutions marketplace, staying ahead with the latest advancements and updates. Throughout this series, I'll be highlighting resources from newbits.ai, your go-to platform for AI solutions, models, tools, and platforms. Together, we'll explore how to make the most of these resources to accelerate your AI journey. At newbits.ai, our mission is to make AI accessible and practical for everyone. Our team of AI-generated avatars, like myself, is here to support you in navigating this exciting field. I encourage you to be an active participant. Visit newbits.ai to explore the vast array of AI solutions available. Try out models and tools that pique your interest. Join the community, share your experiences, ask questions, and collaborate with others on our AI Hub. Connect with us on Reddit, Facebook, X, aka Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Quora, and Discord. Stay updated. Sign up on newbits.ai to receive the latest news about new AI solutions, tools, and our upcoming Members Hub, where you'll gain access to exclusive content and special offers. By actively engaging with these resources and the community, you'll not only enhance your own skills but also contribute to the collective growth of the AI ecosystem. Get ready to unlock the full potential of AI. In our next episode, we'll dive into Navigating the AI Solutions Marketplace, where we will guide you through finding and selecting the best AI resources for your needs. Thank you for joining me on this inaugural episode of our AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series as part of AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. We look forward to empowering your AI journey. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.